Tired of manually updating your inventory levels and product information from multiple suppliers? Introducing StockSync, the app that automates the process of updating inventory levels and product information from multiple suppliers. StockSync has hundreds of templates of suppliers and connection method. With StockSync, you can easily connect to your inventory feed, add new products, update existing products, remove any discontinued products, and export products from the store with StockSync. StockSync ensures that inventory levels are always accurate and allows quantity rules, which help merchants avoid overselling products and disappointing customers. By adding price condition, merchants can add price markup to all products or in a certain range. This would be effective during sales and adding taxes for products in the different price ranges. With scheduling, StockSync can help merchants save time, improve accuracy, and increase customer satisfaction by automating the process of updating inventory levels. StockSync accepts all file format type available. Try out StockSync today and start simplifying your inventory management.